In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide OneDrive from File Explorer. Whether you're looking to streamline your workspace or simply prefer a minimalist feel, removing OneDrive from view can enhance your digital environment. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you need to locate and open the OneDrive application on your computer. Usually, you can find it by typing OneDrive into the search bar of your Start menu. For those who use it frequently, it might even be pinned to your taskbar for quick access. Once you've found it, click to open the OneDrive app. With the application open, the next step is to navigate to its folder. Within the OneDrive app, there should be an option or a button that says Open Folder. Click on it, and this action will take you directly to where all your OneDrive files and folders are stored on your computer. Now that you have the File Explorer window open with OneDrive's content front and center, right-click on the OneDrive folder itself or on any white space in the window. This action brings up a context menu filled with several options. The one we're interested in is Properties, usually found at the bottom of this menu. Go ahead and click on Properties to open up the OneDrive Properties window. Once the Properties window appears, you'll notice several tabs at the top. We want to remain on the General tab, which typically opens by default. Here, you'll find several options, but our main focus should be on the Attributes section located at the bottom of the window. In this section, there's a checkbox labeled Hidden. Click on this checkbox to select it. By doing so, you're instructing the system to hide the OneDrive folder from plain sight within File Explorer. Once you've checked the Hidden box, it's time to apply this change. Look towards the bottom of the Properties window and click on the OK button to confirm your action. This step effectively instructs your system to hide the OneDrive folder, making it invisible in the usual view of the File Explorer. It's important to mention that this doesn't delete the folder or any contents within it, it simply hides them from view. If you ever want to access OneDrive through File Explorer again, you can easily navigate to the View tab within File Explorer and check the option to show hidden items, which will reveal all hidden files and folders, including OneDrive. Now, you might wonder, why even hide OneDrive in the first place? Well, the reasons can vary. Some might prefer a cleaner look for their File Explorer, while others do not use OneDrive and would rather not have it occupy unnecessary space. Whatever your reasons may be, reversing this process is just as simple. Follow the same steps and uncheck the Hidden option from the OneDrive Properties window if you change your mind. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully learned how to hide OneDrive from File Explorer, simplifying your browsing experience and keeping unnecessary folders out of sight. Remember, customizing your workspace to your liking is key to a productive digital environment, and little tweaks like this can make a big difference. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how straightforward it can be to customize and control the visibility of your files and folders, specifically OneDrive, within File Explorer. Happy computing!